Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can fix card decline issue on your crypto.com. So I'm going to be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In case you're trying to add or link a card to your crypto.com and you're not able to do that, then what you can do is you can follow this step, and by following this step you might be able to fix your issue. So then let's get started. And once you're logged into your crypto.com, you have to tap on transfer in the top right corner. So from the drop down menu, tap on buy. So right on this page, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. To that next interface, you can see right at the bottom you have an option as add credit card or debit card. Just tap on it. So once you're on this page, you have to enter the information of your credit card or debit card, and after you're done entering the information, tap on add card. Now once you do that, this kind of error might appear. So what you can do is, in order to fix it, the first method is that wait for some times, and after that retry again and you might be able to fix it. And in case if that does not work, then you can try entering a new card information, or you can add a new card and then you might be able to fix it. Following both of these methods, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can simply contact the customer service and then report about the issue and they'll look into your matter. So that is how you can fix your card decline issue on your crypto.com. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.